polygon? What makes something
Equal
regular?
sides. It's regular. No,
Equal sides and equal angle. So we're going to learn how to find the area of those today. So we have some things that we need to talk about of these regular polygons. So the distance from the center of the polygon to any side is called the apothem or apothem. I normally say apothem, but I think the actual right way is apothem.
I feel like I've seen that word before.
Yeah. But that's this guy right here. So from the center to any side. So I could draw it like from here to here, any of these. All of those are apothems. Okay? Let me erase that because now it's confusing. Okay. And then the radius goes from the center to a corner of your polygon. And if you look, what's on the outside of this?
A circle.
Wouldn't that be a radius?
Yeah.
So it's the same thing. Okay?
Wait, so does it have to be next to each other though? Like,
What do you mean? What next to each other?
for, like if you go to the side, then does the other line have to go to the angle?
Yeah.
Like the nearest.
Yep.
Like it can't go straight across.
Right. Okay, and then our little formula to find the area of this is half your apothem, so we're going to have to find out what our apothem is, times the perimeter, so that's just all the way around. So that's your job today, to find the apothem and the perimeter. And we plug it in, and then we're good to go. Okay, so let's try some pretty basic ones at first. To find the area of the regular polygon, so let's just first find, what's the perimeter? What is our perimeter?
24.2 times 3.
Yep, because all my sides have to be the same. So 24,
Have to be the same.
if they would have to be the same if it's regular.
Oh.
So we're going to take that times 3. 72.6. Good job. Okay, now our little A stands for apothem. Do I know what that is?
Yeah. Well,
Half
we
of
need to do
7.
the-
What's
No,
7?
it's,
It's just 7, right?
yeah.
Just 7. But now, Nisha, you're just a step ahead of us. If I plug into our formula, it's half times our apothem times our perimeter.
The answer is
254.1?
Is that it?
That's it. Okay, you do the next one. It's just like this, just a different polygon. Figure out your perimeter, your apothem, and plug her in. You get it?
No.
No?
No. I'm helping you.
Oh.
It's like improving.
Okay, those examples, when they give you everything, are pretty straightforward. But now we're going to get into like what makes it kind of fun. It's not quite so easy all the time.
Oh, no.
But it's the best, because it's the same thing over and over. And over and over. I love it.
Repetition.
Repetition. So just learn the pattern. Okay. So if you're not given your side length and your apothem, you just follow these 3 steps. 3 steps. So step 1, you need to make a right angle.
Big steps.
So this is what you're going to do every single time. You're going to make this right triangle. And it would be like right here on your actual finger. Okay? And then it says, find the measure of the angle formed by the center and the apothem radius. So this guy right here, I'm looking for this angle, which is really right here blown up. It's the same triangle. So how do we do that? How many degrees are in a circle? 360. And how many sides does my shape have? 6. So you're going to take 360 times 6, and I'm going to get,
You mean divided by 6?
what did I
Oh,
say?
wait.
60.
Oh,
Wait, you
congrats.
multiply the 360 is just the circle.
The circle. And then 6 is by the number of sides. So I get 60, right?
Yes.
But then it says, and then you have to divide that number by 2. So what's 60 divided by 2?
20.
Give.
20.
30!
Are you gonna get
No, no.
And then from here, you're either going to use trig or special right triangles to find your side length or apothem.
Bunny.
It's going to be the best.
No.
Yeah!
Bunny.
Okay, let's try one. We're going to do it together.
You have to do what?
It's like the best part of math classes, like you hate a unit, it goes away. But
It
in
does
this class, everything just keeps coming back.
No,
Does.
it's terrible.
Okay, so step 1 was to draw what? So let's draw this triangle right here. So really, it would be this guy on your shape if you want to go like that. But I like to do it big so I can write on it. Okay, where would our 5 go? Where would that match on this guy? Yep. So that's really our apothem. Okay, now what did I need to find? The angle. So I'm going to take 360 divided by what? 6. And we get,
60.
but is that the angle I want?
No.
Heck no.
Divide by 2.
30. So this is 30. So now what do I need to find? What am I missing?
Why are we dividing by 2 again?
Wait, it's 15.
Nope. We have to divide by 2 because 60 would technically be like this big angle right here, but I cut that triangle in half, so it's 30.
Wait, is it? I thought the length was 30 of each thing, and then cut it in half.
No, that's the one we want. Brendan,
So if it was a hexagon,
yep,
is that right?
yep,
If it was a hexagon, would it always be 30 for the top?
always. Okay, so now we need to find this side length. So you can either use trig or special right triangles, whatever you want to do. What do you want to use? Trig. Okay. So with respect to 30, what side is this? Opposite. What's 5?
Adjacent.
Adjacent. What trig function uses opposite adjacent?
And
So tangent of 30 equals x over 5. Multiply by 5. We should get about 2.9-ish.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, so we just found this thing to be 2.9. What would your whole side length be?
5.8.
5 point, I gotta double it. So 5.8. And now we can find our perimeter to find the area.
5.8 times 6.
Yep.
7. 8. So you 5.8.
Yep, 5.8 times 6 gets us what?
34.8.
34.8. What's our apothem length?
5.
Now plug into our formula. No, these are the best. These are literally my favorite.
That's the thing. It's like it's not challenging. It's just tedious.
Your homework's only 7 questions.
Woo!
At least it's not proof.
Now, like this.
I agree.
I
There you
agree.
go. At least it's not proof. Each question has A, B, C.
Right.
And tomorrow we have like all proofs.
There won't be any
No,
proofs
and we know
the rest
who
of
to
the year.
play.
Oh,
Thank you.
come on.
Thank you. Did about 87, everyone?
Yes. Sometimes.
Meter squared. Yeah, there won't even be any on your final. So
Oh, let's go. Are there proofs in algebra?
No.
Good.
Why would there?
That's totally algebra. They're better.
Should we try another one?
No.
You guys, come on.
Yeah.
Okay, so we gotta draw our triangle. Draw it up. Draw your triangle. Okay. So we were given our side length of 14. What does that really mean on our triangle?
7 on the bottom.
7. Good job. Okay, now what did we have to find? The angle.
Yes.
So 360 divided by how many sides? Equals. Is that the angle we want? Never.
Wait, still confused about that part.
Okay,
Why does that like equation like we need to divide it by 10?
because you could split this up into 8 congruent triangles. So this angle right here is 45, but we cut that green triangle in half to make this red one. So I have to cut this in half to get the angle we want.
Oh yeah, I get it.
I don't know if you do. Do you get it?
I think so.
Okay.
Well, we'll see.
We'll see.
If I can do it later.
Okay, what do we need to find?
Oh, long side.
Our long side, the apothem, so call our x. What trig function do we need to use? Tangent.
Is it always going to be tan?
Not always, but for the most part, yeah. Equals 7 over x.
7 divided by 10.
I got 16.9.
Why did I get 2.9?
Do you take 7 divided by tangent? On your phone, you have to do it like really backwards.
It freaks me out.
It freaks you out? Both freak me out. Okay, now do we have enough info to plug in? Okay, our perimeter, what's 14 times 8? What'd you get, Beepon? 112. What's our apothem? 16.9. Now plug in.
946.4.
Half. 16.9. Would you get Econ?
946.
Yeah, about 946 ish. Okay, what? Let's look up here. What is that pointing to? Radius, apothem, or side length?
Apothem.
Okay, what about this one? Radius. What about this guy, that red line?
Circle. A pot line.
The area.
A radius would go to a corner.
Side length. What is going on?
This is a
The red
apothem.
line is the
Apothem. What are these?
Awesome.
Raccoons.
That's a good one. Great.
Okay, we're gonna do some desk problems. So grab out a marker.
Oh.